Hey, welcome to Spubhi back. Uh, if you remember, last time we created an application called Create Video. So when you log in initially, you will see this kind of screen, and where for each application you can configure your application properties, and you can start, stop the application. So it is just kind of Java. It is a Java kind of application. When you click on start, it will take some time, around 30 seconds to start, and so that's it. You don't have to do anything. It will use all default configurations. But if you want a specific configurations, right? So if you want to any add any variables, you can click the variables which you want to add, and you can add as many variables as you need. We can discuss it about it later. As of now, these are not needed. We are just creating the basic configurations. So we are not creating any variables as such for now. And apart from that, apart from environment variable, if you see, right, so you have to select your application configurations, and ignore about the pricing for now. Okay. And if you see, right, you can select your applications based on our application, your application configuration, right? You can select the configuration and you can start the application. You can based on, if you think your application is very high, and we even support to X large and 4 V cores, 32 GB, right? We are even supporting up to that scale. So it will start from 1 GB, which 1 GB of memory and 0.005 V cores, which costs only 2000 rupees. Okay. And for first initial users, we are giving for first 6 months free. So you can use, but you don't have to, even if it is your first application, you don't have to think about all this stuff. You can just safely ignore, and you can go back and just start your application, and it will work for next 1 month, and you can test, and you can configure everything. And coming to scaling, you can even configure minimum replicas. Yeah, first you want to enable the auto scaling or not, and what is the minimum replicas, what is the maximum replicas, and the target CPU. If CPU reached, if you are using one replica, right? And minimum replica is 1, and maximum replicas are 5. And when first one replica reached the 70% of the target CPU, then it will go and create another replica of it, and up to even for when two replicas running, each replica reach to 70%, then maximum replicas reach up to 5. So it will keep on checking for the target CPU percentage. And if you want any custom domain, or enabling the HTTPS, SSL, anything, any custom configurations, you can select that as well. You can even check, you can configure the health check, and for your application you can check the logs, what is being written in the logs, and you can even search the logs. You can grab it, and you can auto refresh, and you can download it. So you can do anything just with the logs. So you first, all selecting after all this, you can just save the configuration, and go back to application. And when you just click the start, even without having anything, you can start the application. It will keep on running, and you don't have to worry about whatever the configuration changes was happened. It will auto reload. You don't have to deploy or anything. Just you configure and it works. That's it. You don't have to even restart. And this is one time setup. All this stuff are, once you are confident, and you are good enough, then it will you can use as is. You don't have to worry about any maintenance stuff. uh, yeah, this is what about the creating the application and configurations, and starting and stopping of the applications. You can create n number of applications even if you are in free route, right? Only for we will charge only for the configurations resources which you select, and based on the number of applications we will charge. Apart from that, we don't charge anything, and it's completely free apart from the resources. So yeah, you can use however you want. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you, and hope we will connect in the next video. Thank you.